Good morning everyone. Welcome to Byrappa Sons. Today I am showing you a very beautiful collection of fancy sarees. And I'll tell you, these are not tusser silk. These are soft silk sarees which comes with a tusser kind of design. These are very new, very nice pattern, and I have got a very nice designs and collections. So please continue to take a look at this video. This is a beautiful collection of a soft silk saree. It comes with a Ganga Jamuna border. I'll open and show how the saree looks. You get a contrast pallu, and you can see there's a small butta, very small buttas, and in the border you get a big borders. The entire saree comes with a design, same uniform design. And the blouse for the saree is contrast. You can see the material is extremely soft. It's very soft material. It's not tusser silk. This is a very new variety which has come in the market. These are the color options what you get. Beautiful color contrast. If you want fancy color contrast, you get those also. Extremely beautiful color contrast. This is a fancy green with pink. Then you get pink with black. This is blue with mustard color combination. This is extremely beautiful saree. And the last color option for this design is orange with pink color. This is a new design. Comes with a vertical jerry for the border, and you get a small buttas. This is a geometrical pattern. You can see the pallu comes with all rectangular design, which is beautifully made, and the entire saree comes with small butta. This is again a Ganga Jamuna. The material is extremely soft. It's not a tusser silk. And this is a contrast blouse. I'll show you the color options in this design. You get green with pink, extremely beautiful saree, and all of the saree comes with a contrast blouse. I'll tell you what color combination you get in the pallu. The same would be the color of the blouse piece. This is pink with black. A stunning color combination. Black with orange. Then you have orange with pink combination. And the last color option is mustard with blue shade. If you like any of these colors, you can always contact me on the number which is displayed on the screen. These are very new in the market and still nobody has it, so don't miss the chance to be an early purchaser. This is a very nice design. This is the next new design and comes with a small border and has a good decent size butta on the saree. This also is a Ganga Jamuna, and you can see the pallu is rich, which comes with a silver jerry also, and you get the contrast blouse for the saree. The quality and the finishing of the saree is extremely beautiful. You can see how elegant it looks. and the entire butta comes with one side gold and the other one would be silver. I'll show you the color options in this design. Okay, pink and orange, a beautiful must-have saree, extremely nice looking saree. And the other one is green and pink, again a superb saree. This is blue with mustard color. You can see how beautiful the saree looks. Magenta with again blue color saree, a beautiful design saree. And this would be pink with black color. The color combination what I have used is extremely very rare color options, and look how bright the pink color is. It's a beautiful saree, and these comes with a even temple border also. Look how beautiful the saree is. This is again a new design. On the bottom you get a big border, on top you get a small border. In all the saree, the base color comes with a chiku color, but the color combinations and all are different. This saree has a short pallu, very short pallu, and a beautiful contrast blouse, which comes on sleeves as well as the back design also. Both designs are different. And you can see the saree doesn't comes with butta. It's a very plain saree and it has only the border. I'll show you the color options what you get on the saree. We have pink and black, mustard and pink border, this is magenta with sky blue border, and the last color option for the design is black with red border. This is a beautiful design. It comes with an equal border on both the sides. And you can see how rich the pallu also is. Comes with a small buttas, round ones, and you get a contrast blouse, a beautiful pink color, where you get a sleeves border, and you can see the entire saree comes with a vertical jari. You get one big and one small. I'll show you the color options in this design. This is orange with pink color, a very nice beautiful saree. This is blue with mustard color, green and pink combination, and the last is black with red combination. New design, and look how beautiful the saree is. Comes with big border and also a temple design. The buttas in the saree is very decent and looks very elegant. You can see how rich the pallu is. A grand, which is also comes with a silver jari, and you get a blouse. You can see how beautiful the blouse border is. Comes with all turning designs, and the saree also has a small buttas, very small buttas. Looks very decent and very elegant. I'll show you the color options what you get in this saree. You get magenta with blue color. This is red and black color. Red and black color is a very traditional design, color combination. This is green with pink border. And the last color combination is pink with black combination. It's a very beautiful color combination, and the design is also very grand. Looks very decent also. You can see on the other side the border for the saree is very small. You can see how rich the pallu is, as well as the border also very nicely made, very grand it looks. And the saree doesn't have any buttas, so it's a very plain saree, and you can see the texture. It is made, it looks like a tusser silk. Very beautiful saree. And the blouse for the saree comes with green color with a small border. I'll show you the color options. Black and red. Blue with mustard color. Pink and black color. And the last one is orange with pink combination. And you can see it comes with a small border on the either side. If the customer doesn't want a big border, you can always go for the small border. So we got the small border also done. And look how beautiful and elegant the saree looks. Very decent and very nicely made. The pallu looks very grand, full rich, and comes with the small buttas. You can see the quality of the jari used on the saree. Very beautiful and looks very rich. And this thing comes with a contrast blouse, which has again a small border on the sleeves. The entire saree comes with small buttas. I'll show you the color options what you get in the saree. You get orange and pink color. Green with pink color. Magenta with blue option. Blue and black color, sorry, pink and black color. And the last color option is black with red color. These are the very latest collection of soft silk sarees. These are actually a soft silk saree. It's not a Khadi silk, it's not a tusser silk. And the texture, you can see it is similar to that, same to same. And these are very useful, or you can wear it very easily for the summer season. And if you like any of the saree, you can always take a screenshot, send it to the number, and please share and subscribe to get the latest videos updates. And if you want to know the price of the saree, it's written in the description.